Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to reset a GMC Sierra oil change step by step. Start by parking the truck on level ground and engaging the parking brake. With the key in your pocket, press the brake and cycle the ignition to RUN without starting the engine so the dash lights up. Confirm the engine oil message is visible on the information display and that the oil cap is securely tightened. Next, I'll walk you through the cluster controls in clear, friendly steps. Use the left and right steering wheel buttons to reach the vehicle information menu, then find the oil life or remaining oil percentage. When you see the oil life screen, press and hold the OK or check mark button until the display prompts you to reset. Release the button and confirm the reset when the system asks to restore oil life to 100%. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful car tips. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice for your ride. It smells great and keeps the cabin fresh while you work under the hood. I use it in my truck during routine maintenance, and it brightens the whole experience. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Some GMC Sierra models have alternate reset approaches, and I will describe them plainly. On vehicles with a touch screen, open settings, choose oil life or vehicle maintenance, and select Reset. Older models may require a physical reset button or sequence noted in the owner manual. If the oil light stays on after resetting, turn the ignition off, wait a few seconds, and repeat the reset process to make sure the computer registers the change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.